This is the armoire in our bedroom, and we really like it. It has great wood tones, nice details, cool hardware, and there's really nothing wrong with it. But it doesn't function as efficiently as it could. We have these hanging shelves for folded clothes and a hanging rod, but that leaves a large space at the bottom of the armoire and about 6 inches of unused space at the top. And when a piece of furniture holds about 90% of your wardrobe, every inch of space counts. The first step in this project is to start with a clean slate. We do like the vertical shelves off to the side, but instead of many smaller shelves, we are going with fewer but taller ones. We are also going to add a series of smaller shelves tight to the top, where the hanging rod used to be. That lowers the hanging clothes to utilize the bottom of the space. The new shelves are set back a few inches. This leaves an opportunity to add some storage on the doors. The idea is to have all of the everyday items like keys or loose change readily accessible. The benefits of this project are in the small changes. I mean, this is hidden for all but a minute or two each day. But it's those small changes here and there that maximize its efficiency. This is a design that's very specific to me. My clothes, my watches or keys. It's how I start and end my day. But it's a design that makes my life easier. And at the end of the day, isn't that what a good design should be?